This video will go over the debugger feature in JavaScript. This feature allows you to easily debug potentially dangerous or buggy code. So let's give an example. Let's say you have some function, that's just causing you issues. Normally people would put console logs before and after. And you could do that. Or you can use the debugger feature. So let me set this up. Log. Right now. Put this here, there. Oh. Let me set it up differently. Hold on. Okay, so I opened up a web environment to try this. So let's run this code. You can do that by refreshing. So you can see here, the code logs out this ASAS, and then when the V8 engine sees this debugger keyword, it stops the program. It doesn't run might cause bug. It just inputs this ASAS. And now you can either unpause, resume the debugger, or go to the next thing on the list. Let's go to the next thing on the list. There's also some more information here to help you debug. So now it's just going over each individual call. Return value not a number. Okay. And then I'll just skip that. So boom. Now we can understand, okay, the reason it's saying NaN is because you're trying to divide 0 by 0, which returns this NaN thing, which is not a number, because it's no function. And then let's try 1 divided by 0. Should probably be the same thing. Infinity. Interesting. So this isn't the best example. I'd say a better example is let me try to make something. Input 1, 2. Input 1 equals 1 minus 2. Or no, new input. And then so let's say you're trying to make a script or a function to add 2 strings. But let's say you make a little bug. Right here you have a subtract sign instead of an add. Now let's say you don't notice this. And you're wondering, oh, why is my code saying not a number? Well, it's because you're trying to subtract 2 strings, and then you can't. They're not numbers, so that's why you're getting not a number. But maybe you don't notice the subtraction sign. Maybe this is a really complicated function. This is a simple one, so you'd obviously notice, but let's see it. So what you could do is, and let's say you wanted it to be capitalized. I think that's right. Let me just make sure that works. Oh no, it's too uppercase. Okay. Now let's say, hypothetically, you didn't know what's causing the issue. Now you'd think maybe it's the uppercase, maybe it's this. So put a debugger here, debugger here, debugger here. Okay, so you can see input 1, hello, new input, value unavailable. Oops. New input 1 minus input 2, not a number. Now here you could recognize, okay, you're trying to do not a number. You're trying to do string operations on not a number, so that's not going to work. But maybe if you don't notice, then that's going to throw an error. So you can say, okay, well, why are you adding 2 strings? Why are you getting not a number? Oh, because JavaScript thinks they're numbers because you're subtracting. So change that to add, and it will work. Yeah, that's how you can use debugger. This helps you fix up errors. Yeah. Sub if you want, like if you want.